In this video, I'm going to show you how to add TradingView widget on Notion. Let's get started. So we're going to go to this website here, apption.co. So go to any browser of your choice and go to this apption.co website. Okay. So go to this website, and then once you're on this website here, you go to this page here. So in the search bar here, what we're going to do, you're going to search for TradingView. Okay, so type in TradingView and then search for it. Search for it and then open up this TradingView widget option here. So select this TradingView results. From the results, just click on it and open it up. When you open it up, you'll get to this link here. So the link will be given here. Just copy this link, hit on the copy option and then copy this link. Okay, once you've copied these, now go to your Notion and log into your Notion account. So just go to your Notion. Okay, so I've got a demo, just a new page here. So what I'm going to do, hit on /, type in embed. Okay, and then select the embedded from the results from the drop down list here, select embedded, and then here paste the link that you just copied. This is going to generate and show you the TradingView widget here. There you go. So the widget now appears, so you can now just move it around and customize it, and basically that's how you do it.